Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be doing the Cup Song by Lulu and the Lampshades, but this is also known from the movie Pitch Perfect. And it doesn't really matter where you know this from. You can still do it. It doesn't matter. They're the same. So here I go. I got my ticket for the long way round. 2 bottle of Pepsi for the way. And I sure would like some sweet company. And I'm leaving tomorrow, what do you say? When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my hair. You're gonna miss me everywhere. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. I got my ticket for the long way round, the one with the prettiest of views. It's got mountains, it's got rivers, it's got sights to give you shivers, but it sure would be prettier with you. When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me by my walk, you're gonna miss me by my taco. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. Bye. Thanks for watching.